Let's read Rainforest Rescue, pages 8 and 9.
My favorite fruit is the durian, says Grandpa. We can find it in this rainforest. He and the children walk in the rainforest and look for a durian. Grandpa points up. There, he says. I can see some durians in that tree. I can climb up and get some durians, says Ben. Clunk, go up the tree too, please, says Grandpa. Then the girls hear a noise. What's that? Asks Alice.
We work on the activity page. Remember to write your answers on a separate sheet of paper in your folders or in your books. Bye!